Alright, what's up? It's your boy Morimoto Matt, aka Matt in the Hat, aka Headlight Maximus, and today we're doing the damn Duramax thing.
Alright, so here's what you need to know. This headlight is actually a rapid prototype, meaning that the entire thing from top to bottom was 3D printed. Now, these headlights are designed for the 07 to 13 Chevy Silverado trucks. Now, when we design these kind of headlights, we've got to go through all different kinds of tests, including checking for EMI, for radio interference, making sure that the daytime running light, the low beam, the high beam, and all of those functions work, and also making sure that there's no gaps or fitment issues both behind the headlight with the core support and of course around the body line on the front with the fenders too. The good news is that this headlight passed, which means we can push it forward to the tooling phase and get it ready for production. Now from here, all we got to do is take some sweet photos, a couple videos, and we'll show you guys what these things are going to look like exactly when they come out of the press. Alright, no test is complete without showing you guys how the light output compares between the new Morimoto XB LED headlight and the stock headlights. So we've got these two lights mocked up over here. We've already actually completed that test, but to make a long story short, about twice the amount of width and about 3 times the amount of intensity in the center of the beam. So not only do these headlights look much better than the factory, but they will perform much better as well.